very easy and a simple video how to make quesadillas. Quesadillas.
First
Chicken.
you put your tortilla.
Chicken quesadillas.
Make sure you wash your hands.
Yes. You don't need no oil, nothing on your pan.
Uh-oh. That was a microwave.
Then you need some Mexican style cheese.
Blended cheese or shredded, or however you like to say. And you put it on 1/2 of the quesadilla.
Yes. Mariana's helping me. Sometimes you can put, like, there's this one quesadilla that I made. I put some crab.
Yeah.
You can put chicken. This one, you can make it like this, or you can add some bacon. Bacon
Crumbles.
Added some bacon. You can put more cheese on top if you want. If not, this is how you do it. Just fry it. And in about a couple of minutes, it'll be ready. Just put it on the other side and it'll be ready. And ready to flip it.
Perfect. And that is a perfect quesadilla. And then you can also make, what we like to do is, I make
I
sauce.
said a chicken in the beginning. Sorry.
Yeah.
I mean, simple cheese quesadillas, or you can make cheese and bacon, or cheese and chicken.
Yeah.
Cheese and...
I like to make this sauce I called creamy sriracha because I put mayonnaise and then put some sriracha, and I also add a little bit of lemon pepper, and it's really good with quesadillas.
Yeah, you'll make some right now.
So this is how to make fun and easy creamy sriracha. So first you're gonna get your mayonnaise and put it in like a sauce container or anything, whatever you have. So you're gonna get like just enough, the amount you like. I do it with a fork because it's easier to mash it up.
Stir.
Yeah. So, and then you're gonna open your sriracha and you're gonna put a little bit. You don't put too much, just like that.
Really?
Yeah.
I put a lot more.
And you mix until it's like pink, and make sure there's nothing on the sides. Then what I do to give it a little more flavor is I put some of lemon pepper. And I just sprinkle it like that. And then I mix it, and boom, you're all done with your creamy sriracha.
And then we cut our quesadilla. This is easy and homemade quesadillas.
Yummy.
I'm just gonna go about the same.
In the sauce?
This is with cheese and bacon.
Yummy, yummy.
Dip it in the sauce, homemade sauce, and there you go.